Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe to BigQuery for finance data modeling step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Stripe account and access to BigQuery. Log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the Stripe dashboard. Click on Developers in the left sidebar. Select API keys under the Developers section. Note your publishable key and secret key, as you will need them later. Open a new tab and log into your Google Cloud Platform account. Create a new project or select an existing one. In the left sidebar, navigate to BigQuery. Click on Create Dataset and enter a name for your dataset. Once the dataset is created, click on it to open it. Now, you need to set up a Google Cloud function. In the left sidebar, select Cloud Functions. Click on Create Function. Name your function and choose HTTP as the trigger type. In the source code section, you can choose Inline Editor. In the provided code editor, you'll need to write a function to receive data from Stripe. Use the Node.js environment for writing your function. Ensure to require the Stripe library in your code. Add the secret key from your Stripe account into your function. Write a handler to listen for events from Stripe, like payments or refunds. In the same function, format the incoming data to match your BigQuery table schema. Use the BigQuery client library to insert formatted data into your BigQuery dataset. In the deployment section, set your authentication to allow unauthenticated invocations. Click Deploy to finalize your Google Cloud Function setup. Next, go back to your Stripe account. Navigate to Developers and select Webhooks. Click on Add Endpoint. Enter the URL of your Google Cloud function. Select the events you want to listen to, such as payment_intent.succeeded or charge.refunded. Save your changes. Now, you need to test the integration. You can use the Stripe CLI to send test events to your function. Open the terminal and run the Stripe CLI. Use the command to trigger an event, like a successful payment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.